Hello, animal lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about an animal which looks exactly like an elephant. Yes, we are talking about tapirs, which are very similar to elephants. Get ready for a wild ride through their scientific name, appearance and behavior, habitat, diet, predators and threats, reproduction, babies and lifespan, population, tapirs in the zoo, and some fascinating facts. Before we talk about this animal, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things animals related. You don't want to miss what we have in store for you. Let's start with introduction of tapirs. The tapir is a large mammal that looks a bit like a combination of an elephant and a pig. With its elongated nose and body shape, it resembles a small elephant, but it is actually more closely related to horses and rhinos. There are 4 species of tapir, and they are found in the tropical forests of South and Central America, as well as Southeast Asia. The tapir is an unusual-looking creature that has some fascinating traits and behaviors. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about tapirs. Scientific name. Let's kick things off with the scientific side of these captivating beings. Did you know their formal name sounds like a secret code? Unraveling the mystery behind their nomenclature adds an extra layer of awe. The scientific name for the tapir family is Tapiridae. The 4 tapir species are Brazilian tapir, Tapirus terrestris; Malayan tapir, Tapirus indicus; Baird's tapir, Tapirus bairdii; mountain tapir, Tapirus pinchak. Appearance and behavior. Move over, camouflage. Tapirs are the true masters of disguise. Dive deep into their appearances and quirky behaviors that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. Get ready for some jaw-dropping facts. Tapirs have a stout, elongated body with short, stubby tails. They have 4 toes on their front feet and 3 toes on their back feet. Their most distinctive feature is their trunk or proboscis, which is a fusion of their nose and upper lip. They use their trunks to grasp objects and strip leaves and buds from branches. Tapirs' coats are short and range in color from reddish-brown, to gray, to nearly black. Their undersides are usually pale white or tan. These animals are generally solitary, peaceful creatures. They are mostly nocturnal and sleep during the day, taking naps while lying in water or mud, which helps keep them cool in the heat. Habitat. Travel with us to the lush, hidden corners of the world where tapirs call home. Their habitat is as diverse as their unique features. Discover the wonders of where they dwell. Tapirs live in tropical regions of Central and South America and Southeast Asia. They inhabit rainforests, mountain forests, savannas, and wetlands. Diet. Brace yourselves for a delightful journey into the tapir's menu. From munching on leaves to savoring fruits, their diet is as eclectic as their appearance. Who knew herbivores could be so fascinating? Tapirs are herbivores that feed on leaves, buds, twigs, aquatic vegetation, berries, and fallen fruit. They need to eat a lot to sustain their large size, consuming about 75 pounds of vegetation each day. Their prehensile snouts help them grab foliage and selectively pick leaves and fruits. They often follow set paths while foraging. Predators and threats. Every hero has its nemesis. Explore the challenges tapirs face in the wild and the predators that pose a threat to their survival. It's a wildlife drama you won't want to miss. Due to their large size, tapirs don't have many natural predators as adults. However, young tapirs may be preyed upon by big cats like jaguars, crocodiles, large snakes, and eagles. The main threats to tapir populations are habitat loss and hunting. Tapir habitats are being destroyed for agriculture and human settlements. Tapirs are also illegally hunted for their meat and hides. They are considered endangered species due to their declining numbers. Reproduction, babies, and lifespan. Love is in the air. Join us in the romance and family life of tapirs. For adorable babies to the wisdom of age, their life cycle is a heartwarming tale that tugs at the heartstrings. After a gestation period of about 13 months, a female tapir gives birth to a single offspring, called a calf. Newborn tapirs weigh around 15 pounds and have striped and spotted coats that help camouflage them. Young tapirs will continue nursing for 6 to 8 months and reach sexual maturity between 3 to 4 years old. Tapirs generally live around 30 years in the wild. Population. What's the status of tapir population in the wild? Find out about the conservation efforts and the challenges they face in a changing world. Exact tapir population numbers are difficult to determine, but they are estimated to be declining and number fewer than 30,000 total across all 4 species. Deforestation and hunting have led to the International Union for Conservation of Nature to classify the mountain tapir and Malayan tapir as endangered, and the Brazilian tapir and Baird's tapir as vulnerable. Tapirs in the zoo. Many zoos around the world have tapirs on exhibit. Zoos help educate people about tapirs and provide safe environments for breeding programs and species conservation. Captive tapirs tend to live longer than their wild counterparts, with lifespans reaching into the 40s. Zoos work together to manage captive tapir populations and maintain genetic diversity. Seeing a tapir up close allows visitors to observe their unique proboscis, coloration, behaviors, swimming ability, and interactions with zookeepers. They are an unusual sight that provides a glimpse of these intriguing rainforest mammals. Interesting facts about tapirs. Tapirs are excellent swimmers and spend a lot of time in water. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned high on their heads so they can breathe while partially submerged. Baby tapirs have dotted and striped coats that fade as they grow older. This provides camouflage from predators when they are young. Tapirs have very poor eyesight, but excellent hearing and sense of smell. When frightened or angry, tapirs can make shrill, whistling calls and may charge predators. Tapirs play an important role dispersing seeds in their ecosystems. So, in summary, the tapir is a unique-looking, endangered mammal that is mostly solitary and nocturnal. These trunked animals use their snouts to forage in. As we wrap up this adventure, let's revisit the highlights in a mesmerizing sequence. Thank you, wonderful viewers, for joining us on this journey into the extraordinary world of tapirs. If you enjoyed this wild ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Want more topics? Suggest away. Until next time, stay wild, stay curious.